9 months old and well on course to adulthood. Well, almost. He'll continue to hop in and out of the pouch for the next few months, following in his father's footsteps, because only the mob boss is allowed to mate. And right now, that's Dad. The rival male is back. And now it's time for a showdown. Fights are brutal, sometimes fatal. Rival defeated, Dad claims his reward. A little kangaroo courtship, his caresses, and sniffs are well received. Seems Joey will soon have a sibling. But when it arrives, he'll lose the security of Mum's pouch. From then on, he'll have to count on his own turn of speed. The red kangaroo is also the largest marsupial in the world. Food sources here are few and far between, and water is even scarcer. So red kangaroos need to keep moving to stay alive. They spend their lives chasing the rains. They can cover 8 meters in a single leap, allowing them to cruise at 30 miles an hour.